This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Messages and locate the conversation that contains the text you want to change. Press and hold the exact bubble. This reveals options. Tap Edit when it appears. You do this because Messages stores a version history and lets you modify recent sends. Make sure the message was sent by you and within the editable time window. If edit is missing, confirm both devices run a supported iOS release and you're signed into iMessage. Once ready, proceed to modify the content. After tapping Edit, the message becomes editable inline. Move the cursor to change words, correct typos, or shorten sentences. Use dictation or paste to speed edits and rely on autocorrect cautiously so you don't introduce new errors. Make deliberate phrasing changes to preserve the original intention, since recipients may see both versions. Once satisfied, tap the checkmark to save the edit. This updates the message and records an edited label so recipients know it. Complete the edit by tapping the checkmark. The chat shows the updated text and an edited marker. If you change your mind, tap Cancel or quickly compose a corrected follow-up message. Edits are time-limited, so act fast. If editing fails, restart Messages and check iOS updates, network, and iMessage sign-in. Make sure both users run compatible systems. As a final tip, when edits aren't possible, delete the message and send a clear replacement explaining the correction, which preserves context for the recipient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.